Today we're going to be taking a look at the episode 1 from Xming. Now this is a smart video projector. It's integrated with Google TV. It has autofocus, it has auto keystone correction, it has auto obstacle avoidance, and it has auto curtain adjustment. Also comes with a lot of stuff like Netflix, YouTube, and Google Home. So we're going to get this open, we're going to see what comes in the box, we're going to set it up, we're going to test it out. I've got a white wall over here, we're going to see what the image quality is like. Well, yeah, let's get into it. So the first time you turn it on, it's gonna do everything it needs to do to set it up as your new TV. So first of all, you are gonna pair your remote. It's really simple. The batteries aren't included. I did have to grab some AAAs for that. Then we're gonna connect it to a Google TV using the Google Home app. I do already have an account. And then once we're set up, we can now set up everything on our screen. By going to the settings, we're able to go to the picture tab, and here you can customize everything. If we go to settings and select projector, that's where we can customize the screen itself from the keystones. Now this does have a auto correction, or you can manually actually adjust your keystone. So say you have the projector on a bit of an angle and you want to square up the actual lines, the image of the box itself, you can do that manually, or it will automatically do that as a function when you first turn it on. So this is just a quick demonstration of what the keystone does, so you can physically see how you can actually adjust it. So if you do have it on a weird angle, you can actually kind of adjust the line so you could square it back up. Now, if you go into focus, you do have autofocus. I do think the episode 1 does have amazing autofocus. That autofocus kicks in and it does a really great job. You can, of course, manually autofocus it. Say for whatever reason, you're just not 100% happy with that autofocus. You can go in and turn the dial incrementally until you are happy with the actual sharpness of the image. But for me, I just like to stick with the autofocus. Again, I just think it does a fantastic job. Now, you can set this projector up a couple of different ways. You can have it front projecting, rear projecting, you can have it on a tabletop, or you can even have it hanging from the ceiling. Now in your picture mode, you do have a few different options from standard, vivid, sport, movie, games. And this is just going to change the colors a little bit and the vividness, the brightness. I know some people just love vivid and other people just love movies. You can customize everything on this from your brightness, saturation, hue, contrast, and even your sharpness. So really what I'm doing here, I just want to show in live action how everything is affecting. And of course, I am filming this, meaning no matter how good it looks on here, it will never be as good as it is in person when you're actually using and watching They do also have some great sound options. You can connect something externally, or you can use the internal speaker that comes with the episode 1. And you do have a bunch of different options on how to set that up perfectly. So what I want to do next is just put on a couple of different visuals and just kind of show how crisp and clear the image actually can be. I think what's fantastic is all of this is being streamed. It's not even like I have the folder for these images. It's being streamed from YouTube. And now I want to test the sound quality. This is the sound coming out of the episode 1. And again, you can always connect your own speakers. Not only do you have Google TV that allows you to integrate all the great apps at your fingertips like YouTube and Hulu and Netflix, connect an input with the HDMI. In this case, I've connected a Nintendo Switch. And I'm a bit of a sucker for those retro games, so I had to go back for Tony Hawk. But as you can see, this is a perfect projector for a gaming system. I think the episode 1 video projector from Xming is a fantastic projector. I love the fact it's so tiny. It means you can actually just leave it on a bookshelf or somewhere in your actual house without taking up a big space. It can of course be hung from the ceiling. I love the fact that it is so modern and sleek looking, so it doesn't stand out as a big clunky piece of technology. It can just fit in with your aesthetic of your house. The picture is super clear, and the fact that you have access to all your favorite apps on one simple device means you no longer need a TV. You don't need your wall cluttered with a big screen. Instead, you can just use something like this. If you are interested in the episode 1 from Xming, we are gonna leave a link in the description below. Please comment what your favorite feature was about the episode 1. Share this with a friend, hit that like button, and of course hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this.